The merger of Fiat Chrysler and PSA Group formed Stellantis, initially sparking excitement about innovation and growth. However, that enthusiasm has diminished as the company faces financial difficulties, prompting observers to closely analyze the merger's effectiveness. Sales declines for Chrysler and Dodge have raised concerns regarding their long-term viability, leading many industry experts to question whether these storied brands can survive. The fate of their automotive legacy now hangs in the balance. Carlos Tavares has successfully executed strategic cost-cutting measures in the past, turning around troubled companies. His leadership will be vital as Stellantis confronts its current challenges and seeks effective solutions in this competitive landscape. Tavares' D-Forward 2030 plan underscores Stellantis' commitment to achieving 100% electric vehicles by the decade's end. This initiative requires significant investments in technology and infrastructure, essential for maintaining competitiveness in a rapidly evolving market. Despite these ambitious goals, critics express concerns about Stellantis' operational hurdles, particularly the declining sales in North America, which threaten the viability of its electrification strategy. The company's ability to allocate essential resources remains under scrutiny. In response to these challenges, Stellantis has initiated aggressive cost-cutting measures, including substantial layoffs. This restructuring has ignited debate among stakeholders regarding the long-term health of its American brands, raising anxieties about job security and corporate culture. The unfortunate closure of the Battier facility in Illinois raises questions about Stellantis' commitment to its manufacturing capabilities and market responsiveness. Critics warn that this move could lead to significant long-term repercussions. Moreover, reducing marketing budgets may hinder brand visibility for lesser-known names like Chrysler and Dodge, adversely affecting consumer engagement and potentially contributing to dwindling sales. Strong marketing remains crucial for sustaining brand strength. Changes in dealer compensation have bred dissatisfaction within the dealer network, jeopardizing vehicle sales and complicating the distribution chain. Discontented dealers may struggle to effectively market Stellantis vehicles, further impacting sales. The disconnect between Stellantis and its consumer base is prompting customers to seek competitors that offer better value at similar or lower prices. This shift can result in a significant loss of market share for the company. In light of the automotive industry's rapid evolution, especially with electric vehicles, companies must balance profitability with consumer value. Failure to adapt to these changes may jeopardize long-term sustainability. Chrysler's dwindling lineup and perceived high prices are driving customers away as the brand struggles to maintain its legacy amidst shifting market demands. This decline in consumer base is becoming increasingly concerning. Dodge is grappling with inventory management, particularly regarding the Dodge Hornet, which has fallen short of sales expectations, revealing deeper systemic issues within the brand. This inefficiency necessitates immediate attention. As the shift toward electrification continues under CEO Carlos Tavares, there is a risk of alienating loyal Dodge fans who hold a deep appreciation for muscle cars. This could potentially fracture the strong bond these consumers share with the brand. Jeep is witnessing significant price increases, transforming its vehicles into luxury items and limiting its market reach. Consequently, many consumers are opting for used models, impacting overall sales. The Ford Bronco has gained market traction due to its appealing combination of rugged charm and modern features, successfully capturing consumer attention. This trend illustrates the shifting landscape of consumer preferences. Ram faces challenges stemming from crucial model discontinuations, notably the loss of the Ram 1500 Classic, which significantly impacts budget-conscious consumers. Such changes prompt a reconsideration of brand loyalty among potential buyers. Escalating prices across the Ram lineup are creating affordability issues for many buyers, complicating their decision-making process regarding purchases. This scenario may drive consumers to explore alternatives that offer more favorable pricing.